Hey, it's Jeff again with Loba Wakol here to talk about our rollers. We have 4 different rollers. We'll go from least to most as far as coverage rates and what they're used for. Our 60/80 roller is mostly used for putting down PU280 at the proper coverage rate. So if you're using PU280, this is the roller we'd recommend. We have the Universal 100 roller. This roller is used for our Loba Rush UV cured finish. So if you're using Rush, this will be the roller you want to use. By far our most popular roller, the one that's used for the vast majority of our finish systems, is our Micro 120. You see these being used all day, every day. A great microfiber roller, puts our finishes down at the proper coverage rate between 400 and 600 square feet a gallon is what these will do. Then we have a fairly new roller in our lineup. It's the Deluxe 120 roller. Very similar to the 120 Micro 120. This is going to be putting finishes down more in that 400 square feet a gallon range. And if you're using hybrid or invisible in the 2-coat system, this is the roller you're going to want to use.